Have you ever dreamed of studying in a land where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with futuristic innovations, where cherry blossoms bloom beneath the bullet trains, and where education is a lifelong pursuit of excellence? Welcome to Japan, and welcome to an opportunity that could change your life forever. The mixed scholarship program offered by the Japanese government. This isn't just a scholarship, it's a gateway, a journey, a once in lifetime chance to gain world class education, cultural enrichment, and lifelong growth. So let's dive deep. The mixed scholarship, short for the Ministry of Education, Culture, Sport, Science, and Technology. Scholarship is one of the most prestigious and generous scholarship in the world, established to promote mutual understanding between Japan and the rest of the world. The mixed scholarship offers international students the chance to study at Japanese universities entirely free of cost. Yes, you heard that right. Tuition covered, monthly stipend provided, flight to and from Japan paid for. This scholarship isn't limited to a single field or level of education. It opens across bachelor's, master's, PhD, and specialized training program. But that's just the surface. Next offers several types of scholarship. Let's break them down. Number one, research students, graduate level, masters, or PhDs. This is the most common category, ideal for those who want to pursue a master's or doctoral degree. You will need a research proposal and often a professor in Japan who agrees to supervise your research. Number two, undergraduate students. For those who want to pursue a full bachelor's degree in Japan, include a year of preparatory Japanese language and fundamental education. Number three, specialized training college students. These are vocational programs for high school graduates. Fields include technology, business, fashion, nutrition, and more. Number four, College of Technology student. Technical programs focused on engineering and practical sciences. Number five, teacher training student for in-service teachers looking to improve their teaching skills and educational research abilities. Number six, Japanese studies students, short-term scholarship for university students majoring in Japanese language or culture. Each has its own eligibility criteria and benefits, and yes, we will cover that too. Now let's talk about benefits, what you get. The mixed scholarship isn't just generous, it's comprehensive. Here is what you will receive as a mixed scholar. Full tuition fees, 100% waived, monthly stipend around 1,17,000 to 1,45,000 depending on your level of study. That's roughly $850 to 1100 USD dollars. Airfare, round trip economy class ticket from your country to Japan. No application or admission fee. It's completely free. Preparation year for undergraduates include Japanese language and cultural orientations. Access to Japanese top universities like Tokyo University, Kyoto University, Tohoku University, Osaka, and more. You will also get full access to health insurance, academic support, and career counseling. And yes, you will be living in one of the safest, most technologically advanced countries in the world, surrounded by the centuries of culture and natural beauty. Eligibility criteria: who can apply for MEX scholarship? Let's talk about the eligibility because this opportunity is open to a wide range of students. Firstly, let's discuss what is the eligibility criteria for undergraduate applicants. Must have completed 12 years of education equivalent to high school, generally under 25 years of age, strong academic record, must be willing to learn Japanese and adapt to life in Japan. For research or graduate students, must have completed at least a bachelor's degree, must be under 35 years, a solid academic background, and clear research plan. You may apply with or without pre acceptance letter from a Japanese professor, depending on the embassy track or university route. For specialized training technical program, students must have high school graduates, age usually under 25, willingness to undergo preparatory Japanese language training. For teacher training students, must be under 35, have at least 5 years of teaching experience, return to home country after completion to share the knowledge. For Japanese studies students, undergraduate students majoring in Japanese, good command of the Japanese language, must be under 30 years of old. Application routes. How to apply? You can apply the mixed scholarship through two main routes. One, embassy recommendation or embassy track. This is the most common route. You apply through the Japanese embassy or consulate in your country. Includes multiple stages, document screening, written exams, and interviews. You often need to suggest university or research advisors in Japan. Number two, university recommendation or university track. You apply directly to a Japanese university. The university select outstanding students and recommend them to the next. Requires contacting professors directly, especially for graduate programs. There is also a domestic selection for students already residing in Japan, but that's a smaller pool. Each country embassy has slightly different deadlines and process, so keep an eye on official embassy website. Now let's talk about required documents, what you will need. Here is a general list of document you will need. Again, always double check your embassy's site, but generally application form, next official format, academic transcript, degree or certificate of graduates, recommendation letters, medical certificate, a research proposal or study plan, proof of language ability in Japanese or English, passport copy or ID document. For research students, a strong research plan and communication with Japanese professors can give you a major edge. When to apply? Let's break down the timeline. Timing is everything. For most countries, the embassy track opens between April and May every year. Selection takes place through written tests and interviews during June to August, and final results comes around from November to December. You then arrive in Japan in the following April. And depending on the program, university take deadlines vary by university, but they usually begin from November to February. So always plan ahead, start getting documents and building your profile at least 6 months in advance. Make your application shine. Tips to stand out. This is where the real difference is made. 1. For research student, your research proposal must be clear, original, and feasible. Identify a real problem, propose a viable solution, and explain why Japan is the right place to do this work. 2. For undergraduates, academic excellence matters. So do motivation letters. Be sincere. Show your passion for learning, your love for Japan, and your commitment to returning home with the knowledge you gain. A pre acceptance letter from a Japanese university boosts your chance significantly. 4. Be honest, be passionate, be you. Mixed isn't just looking for good grades, they want cultural ambassadors, future leaders, and dedicated minds. Now let's talk about life in Japan as mixed scholar. Life in Japan is extraordinary. You will experience one of the most unique culture on earth, respectful, detail oriented, and deeply enriched. From sushi to shrines, from anime to advanced robotics, you will live at the intersection of tradition and modern. You will be part of a vibrant community of international students, receive mentorship from world class professors, and possibly even learn to speak fluent Japanese. The support system is strong. From housing to orientation, mixed scholars are never alone. And your degree is internationally accepted, opening doors to global careers in academia, industry, diplomacy, and more. This is your moment. So here you are, standing at the edge of something incredible. The mixed scholarship isn't just about education, it's about transformation. It's about reaching beyond borders, stepping into a new world, and becoming a bridge between nations. Yes, it's competitive. Yes, it's a lot of work, but it's worth it. If you have the passion, the perseverance, and courage to dream big, then the mixed scholarship might just be your path to future beyond anything you have ever imagined. So go ahead, take the first step and apply now for the Japan Mixed Scholarship 2026.